It's been a few days since I installed the JLD Bridge Doctor. You see that guy right in there. I've left it with the humidifier in the sound hole, but I wanted to take a peek today and see what we have, and I'm really pleased and excited with the results. I mean, when I first started this project, I had basically such a deep incline that I had around 3 inches before I was there. Then when I first put this on, I had close to the 6 mark before it touched. Now, here we are, sitting at like the 3 flat on there, and I've still got space. Now I'm at the 2, at the 1. Nice. So I gave the Bridge Doctor another half turn, and really pleased with how this bridge has flattened out. The belly bow is close to non-existent. I mean, there's still a little bit, so we'll see what this does over the next couple days. But I'll have this restrung probably after the weekend.